Guess what's tonight? Camping outside!
First thing is to open the tent.
Yeah! Let's open. What? Noah!
Let's try this again. What the?
Hopefully no one is in here again. Open! Open. Open! Let's try this again.
Let's try this.
Jonah!
There's nothing in here. Well, let's just open that.
Oh,
Why didn't we think of that? Okay, we're ready. I think we should set our bed.
Jonah, are you?
I'm ready. Hello.
Giving it another try?
Because I don't feel like this is safe.
A ver, come this way.
He's better.
You're getting better. Actually, yeah. A ver, ¿cómo te bajarías de ahí?
It's mine.
What are you guys fighting for?
My sleeping bag. It's mine. I got it.
Jonah, where's your sleeping bag?
It's out there.
Your sleeping bag is out there. Go get it.
Well,
It's the frog one.
buggy. No, he's
Okay, let's find it. Okay. Let's see, where can it be? Have anyone seen Jonah's sleeping bag? Where?
Because my mom's my spot. How? No, you can sleep right here.
Jump, jump. Look at the moon, guys. It's so beautiful.
Mom! Mommy, look at this!
Look, Mommy. Let me try to jump with you guys.
Can I record?
Jonah. Oh, Noah is winning. Okay, never mind. Oh, yes. Oh, Daddy won.
Here, look it. I'm gonna be a professional at hoverboards.
Hoverboards or high heels?
I don't know. Come over here.
It looks a little dangerous.
No, it's not. I just need to practice a little bit. Okay.
Noah, you have 30 seconds for $20. If you tell me how do you say peanut butter in Spanish?
J N F.
No.
Yes.
Do you know how to say peanut butter in Spanish?
Nope.
You don't want to give it a try for $20?
No.
Okay.
Peanut butter. How do you say peanut butter in Spanish?
Any idea?
No.
I
Cacahuate.
think I know what.
Mantequilla de cacahuate.
Mantequilla.
Question. Avenue.
Belen, how do you say peanut butter in Spanish?
Wow.
How do you say peanut butter?
Interesting question.
Pinera.
How do you say peanut butter in Spanish?
Mantequilla de cacahuete.
Mantequilla de cacahuate.
Oh, you